was 6:43. So the sewers are backing up. There's nowhere for the water to go.
Look at Barriers, it's up on the sidewalk. Oh, hands on the door. Going on the center.
Lightning bolt.
Wow, look at this in front of us.
Oh, Katie, I hope he's okay.
Man, look at that.
Look at that kid.
Yeah, how's her little car gonna make it? Is it gonna stall?
Pushing it through.
Yeah, no, right?
That will cause widespread flooding and hurricane-force winds throughout the area. 5 to 10 inches of rain, possibly more in some areas. Winds gusting to as high as 80 to 100 miles per hour. Storm surge 2 to 4 feet, and then drying out for Monday morning. I'm meteorologist Joe.
Yeah.
Why would you get it here? Look at the pizza place, Kim.
Let's go.
That's in the door.
It's awful. Look at the condensation on the inside of the windows. That is disgusting.
Now how does this not get water in the gas? Those tanks are underground.
How's the guy walk around in Philly? He must have waders on or bare feet.
Yeah, he has bare feet.